time.
She's telling me I have to brush my teeth now. This is part of being married.
Hey, Alan, what are you doing?
Well, I don't have a vacuum to dry some of my clothes, but that's how I fit everything in this.
Oh, so you packed everything for an 11-day trip in that bag?
Yes.
Are you proud of yourself?
Well, I don't have to carry around 2 suitcases, so of course I am. Although not having a vacuum kind of sucks, literally. No pun intended.
Let's clarify 2 suitcases because this is all I brought. He's acting like I brought so much. I traveled light too.
She traveled light too. This is all I have. Granted, that's not a ton, but she's gonna say I don't travel light.
I didn't say you didn't travel light.
Then what did you say?
You said, well, at least I don't have to lug around 2 suitcases.
Look at this, we've been married for 4 days and we've had our first fight.
But I think that everyone should put in a vote of who should be carrying the suitcases because I think as the husband in the relationship, did you just stop the video?
No.
That Alan should be carrying my bags for me.
But you traveled so light. What is there to carry?
You're right.
We're up here at Fort Bragg today, as we have been doing. We're just gonna follow the one down. And unfortunately, I don't really know of anything that we might want to see. What is that? Oak. Basically, we're just trying to get to the Golden Gate before it gets dark. And I think it's maybe 4 hours tops. And the one runs this way, so I don't know. I don't really know. Is there anything that you wanted to see before we get there?
I don't really know what there is between Fort Bragg and San Francisco.
I don't really know either myself, so
I guess we can just...
I guess if there's something along the way, but anyway, we're just trying to get to San Francisco and we'll be staying there for a couple days, but if we can, we'd like to see Alcatraz and what's the street that's all zigzaggy? Do you remember the name?
I don't remember.
There's some street that's zigzaggy. I'm sure if you're from San Francisco, you know what I'm talking about. And then maybe Chinatown. That would probably be kind of cool. Anyway, we're on our way to the Golden Gate.
Good morning. Here's the nanny. On our way again.
Texas is in California.
Does anyone know what kind of trees these are?
They look like all the bark is like falling off of them, but I think they're just that way. We're not tree experts. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's like a ton of, I don't know, they're seals or sea lions or what. It's hard to see from here, but there's a bunch of them out there.
We thought we saw a whale, but it turns out
It was just rock. Gosh, there's so many of them. Look at how many there are. Doesn't feel like we're in the United States right now. I'll put up some video beforehand that you've probably seen before I'm talking here, but it kind of feels like we're in Europe, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's incredible.
It looks like some of the videos we've seen, like, well, she's been to Africa and England before, but I haven't. It looks like some of the videos that I've seen from over there, like some kind of like Top Gear expedition or something, you know? It's the craziest thing. Like, look at this road we're driving on.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Everywhere is like this, and I'm so glad. If you're gonna do this drive, we definitely recommend you take the 101 to 1. Don't follow the 101 down, because look at this. Look at this. As we're talking, I mean, it's just non-stop amazing views. Like, this video would be like 3 hours long if we were just to continuously record, because everything looks like this. It's so freaking awesome. I just wanted to talk about how great the road is here. I mean, if you're gonna do a road trip in the United States, this has to be on your list. Like, number one on your list. I've drove a lot of roads. This Highway 1 or State Road 1, whatever it is, going down to San Francisco. That, and you know, if you want to start like we did, like Seattle, and go down the coastal road, that's awesome too. But this part in particular, I think, has been like one of the prettiest besides around the redwood forest. Would
Definitely.
you agree?
Oh, I mean, definitely the most.
It's crazy.
Yeah, most views.
It's so pretty.
Thus far on
Yeah.
the trip.
Those are all seals or sea lions down there. There's so many. This is the second spot we've seen this.
Y'all, this is amazing.
Seen a couple of people carrying baskets, and we don't know for sure, but we think maybe they're carrying or picking, maybe they're picking mushrooms. So, is that a common thing? Because I had a friend, I say a friend, that this lady I used to transport from, she was a World War II. Her father was a Nazi in World War II, and she eventually came here when she married an American. But anyway, she used to tell me that when she was little, she would pick mushrooms out in the forest, and I always thought that was very interesting. And so, if you pick mushrooms, do you think that's what people are doing with the baskets out here? We've seen several people along the woods, and we're just guessing that they pick mushrooms. I don't know. What's your take on this?
I don't know. How do you know what mushrooms to pick? There's so many different kinds, like kinds you eat, kinds that kill you.
Yeah, but
Kinds you
like I was telling you earlier,
smoke.
I think
Do you smoke them? I don't know.
I don't think you smoke mushrooms. I think they just eat them.
Oh, you eat
But
them? Okay.
I think one of my friends, he has like an app on his phone that identifies mushrooms. I could be wrong, so we may need to look into that.
Yeah. Could be a
I
cool
don't know.
new hobby.
So if you pick mushrooms, like not to get high on, how did you learn to do that? And do you think that people are doing that we see? Do you have anything else to add to that?
No, let us know. We want to know about the shrooms, the non-drug ones.
Yeah, we're not trying to get high on shrooms. No offense if that's what you do. You know, just that's not what we're trying to do. We like to eat mushrooms with like eggs and I don't know what else we eat. Mushroom Swiss burgers. Can't go wrong with that. Pizza.
Pasta.
Yeah, so
really just anything.
we use them with a lot of stuff. We're not picky people. We'll try anything. So. But I think it would be really cool, especially in Arkansas. I mean, we got plenty of forests, and we definitely see mushrooms all the time. So, anyway, we'd like to learn more about that. So, if you have any knowledge on that, please let us know.
Yeah. All right.
So, we're down on this trail by the beach. We're about to try to. We're gonna see just how good this little thing is. If we get stuck, we have no service out here either, by the way. steep right there, huh?
I got it.
Oh man. Let's try to drive up this side. Come on, baby. I think she's got it. Nice. So I have a crab sandwich, and you have 4 scallops.
It's a scallop saute.
A scallop saute.
Scallop sauteed.
What are you laughing at?
I'm just smiling. I'm having fun. I'm having a good time. It's kind of foggy, so can't see it super great, but there it is. Woo! Downtown San Francisco.
Tesla.
How you feel, Alan?
I'm very tired, and we just passed through Chinatown.
We're here though. We're really tired, so we're about to call it a night. We're gonna get to spend a couple of days here in San Francisco, so we will get out and explore tomorrow.
Tell everyone how much parking was going to be to valet.
So valet at this hotel that we were going to stay at was going to be $180 for 2 nights.
For 2 nights. And,
so we decided to go find some free parking. And now, to be honest, we parked in a parking garage with free parking. And I don't know if Alan was paying attention, but I have no idea where the hotel is from here. So now we're going to walk to it, which should be fine. But
and how much was the parking here?
Oh, here it was. What was it? $35?
$35 a night.
For a night. So really, we're saving some, but not a whole lot.
Yeah. So we already said that getting into San Francisco was absolutely awful, and I never ever want to do it again. But they did upgrade our room since we told them we were on a honeymoon, and it is awesome. Like, got really cool lighting. There's tons of USB ports to charge stuff, even though all we have is our phones. Well, and my laptop. And it looks like, man, can you see that? Hold on. It looks like this just doesn't look real to us because we're from Arkansas. Like, come on. Seeing the city like this is crazy. This is like TV or something.
Excited. There's lots to see. I don't know what we're gonna do in San Francisco. I can't say it. I don't know what we're gonna do in San Francisco.
San Francisco. Gotta give them the Arkansas accent that everybody thinks we have.
What?
Got the YouTubes. But check this out. Like every outlet in here has USB thermostat. Even the thermostat is cool.
What is this contraption?
Man, look at this. The clock.
What is
USB. I don't know what that is. Sound conditioner. Serious sleep. What does it do? Creates a restful, pleasing atmosphere in situations where extreme quiet makes the slightest noise disturbing. Wow. Hey, how about those self-driving cars we saw?
Yeah, those are really neat. I'm kind of interested to see how they work. I understand.
Yeah, we're gonna that's worth a Google. It's definitely worth a Google. So tonight maybe we'll look that up, and if we get time tomorrow, we'll go explore. We really want to see Alcatraz, so if we can, we'll see Alcatraz. What do you think?
I think that'd be fun.
Do you think that Alcatraz would be cool?
Oh, you're not talking to me. You're talking to them.
Talking to you.
Oh yeah, I think Alcatraz would be fun. I just want to eat some good food and
There's lots of little restaurants around here.
see that, get some pictures of the Golden Gate Bridge because you got to do that. And
but we're stuffed because we had really expensive food earlier. We spent $93 on food.
I had 3 scallops, so I'm really not that stuffed, but it was.
She
good.
did. Hers was like $35, and it was literally 4 scallops. Not kidding, like 4 regular sized scallops with some rice.
And the rice was kind of just okay.
No, I mean, yeah. We videoed that earlier. We saw this.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, anyway, so that food was $93. 2 crab cakes was $25. Oh.
That's good though. Can't wait to see the top of my head.
Yeah, hold on. We got the city behind us. Yeah, that's not a picture. That's real. It's crazy looking. But look, I know we just bought a Lamborghini, but we're still not rich. Okay.
We're very broke.
And we're very cheap.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say we're broke, but we're definitely cheap.
Yeah, we're not broke. But I mean, obviously we just skipped valet because to save like $20.
Hey, even if I was a millionaire though, I'm just saying, I wasn't about to pay $80 a night.
We can park our own car.
$80 a night to valet? I can park my car just fine. How about you?
Yeah, you can park it.
I parked it a little sideways, but hey, it's San Francisco, baby. Okay.
Let's go
For
get some
real,
coffee.
yeah, for real though. We're done for tonight. We're gonna go get some coffee, and then maybe later we'll edit this video.
We'll see you tomorrow.
We were in the shop because we were looking for drinks, and
the
then
coffee shop was closed.
Yeah.
The one we talked about.
so we go to this. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. We go into the store here in the hotel to get a drink, right? And all of a sudden we're looking at $6 bottles of water, and we start coming up with ideas like we can drink out of the sink. Wait, we got a coffee maker in the room. We don't need to do this. We can't be affording a $6 bottle of water.